Hello everyone, and welcome to the Desen Environmental Factory. Today, a set of high-performance modular soil washing equipment is being shipped to Hebei Province, China, to help remediate heavy metal contaminated sites. At Desen Environmental, we believe that equipment is not only a vehicle for technology, but also an extension of our philosophy. Our advanced modular washing system streamlines process integration, shortens installation and commissioning time, and significantly reduces overall operating costs. Once a project is complete, the equipment can be quickly relocated to safeguard the next site, delivering both efficiency and sustainability. Desen Environmental is committed to providing professional, comprehensive soil washing and remediation solutions to clients worldwide. Follow Desen and witness soil come back to life. Follow Desen and join us in protecting green mountains and clear waters as we build a sustainable future together.